Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rhonda, and today we're gonna get into these nails that I uploaded 2 days ago inspired by the Apres Gel X nail system. A lot of my friends asked me how I did it, so here we are. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know to feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you end up enjoying this video. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget that I have a podcast. Feel free to rate, review, and subscribe, and feel free to follow the socials. Quick disclaimer, I am not a nail esthetician. I don't know anything about nails in the slightest. I'm just a cheap girl in a cheap world trying to get through quarantine season, and I figured a way to work for me, and I'm just sharing it with you. So I in no way know what I am doing on a professional level. Also want to apologize if the video is a little fast, but I have really shaky arthritic little hands, and I'm very insecure about my little Harriet Tubman hands. So this is as good as it gets, so enjoy. Here's a list of things I've used. The links will be down below. They're all from Amazon. Most importantly, you'll really just need the base, top, and primer set. They're $10, and then the nail lamp. Everything else you can pretty much improvise. Alright, you're going to want to start off with fresh, clean nails. You're going to want to file them down, push back the cuticles. The drill that I got was from Amazon for $7. Alright, so you'll definitely need to pick out the nail tip sizes ahead of time so that way it fits and shapes to your nail perfectly. So here you're going to see that I picked out the numbers already. A lot of them are numbered already, and then you're going to clip them, file them, and make sure that they fit perfectly to your nail size. Stitching is very important, which is why I'm really grateful that I was able to get this nail drill for $7. If you don't, make sure that you use your own nail file, and just make sure you etch and shave the inside of the nail. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can definitely just use alcohol, like actual alcohol pads, and just wipe down. It's just to strip off the oil off of your nails. I recommend buying this set because the primer comes for free with it, and you need this because it helps keep the nutrients for your nails after you've stripped off the oils. After the primer, you're going to apply base to your nail, and then you're going to put it to the UV lamp. You're going to put it in 10 seconds at a time. In total of 30 seconds, you will feel it get hot, which is why I recommend putting it for 10 seconds and then taking it out. With the same base coat, you're going to apply that to the fake nail now, and then you're going to fit it onto your nail. Now, I've been adding a little bit of crazy glue, but you don't need to do that at all. Just make sure you fit it and shape it to your nail, and then hold your nail with it because it will slide off. Hold it and then keep it under that light until it solidifies. Once that was done, I used the gel polish that I purchased, and I'm going to add one layer to my nail, and then I'm going to put it back under the UV light, and then add another layer, and then back into the UV light, and then top it off with top coat, and then I'll be done with those two nails. As for the thumb, I don't like it too long, so I clipped it and filed it down to my liking. Then I used tape to create a triangular negative space, and then I painted regular gel polish over it, put it into the UV light for 30 seconds, and then remove the tape, creating that negative space. Now the fun part begins. With a brush, I'm going to paint over with top coat. I won't cure it yet, and then I will use gold flicks or any other designs that I happen to have on me, and I'm going to place them on top of the wet top coat. Once it's done to the way that I like it, then I cure it for 60 seconds. Now for the marble design, what you're going to need to do is draw a letter S or a Y with the gel polish. Then you're going to use alcohol to distribute and shape it to the way you like it. Cure it, then add another layer of lines. Cure that, add a top coat layer, and add some gold flakes or any kind of decals that you have. Once you're done with that, you're going to cure that and then you'll be done. Feel free to shave down the flakes if you'd like with a file, and then you can add another layer of top coat and then you'll be done. Last thing, I also want to recommend purchasing gel polishes if you don't already own them from Amazon. They vary in different prices, so feel free to get something that you like. And also too, don't forget to purchase some tips. You don't have to necessarily get the tips that I have. You can even get the pre-made ones that they sell at your local drugstore from like the Kiss brand. Let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.